Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel PSpice Tips. Today I'm going to speak about the resolution in PSpice. So how it is possible to increase the resolution in my circuits and of course in my traces. For that I have selected, or I have designed a really easy circuit. In this case I have a sinus and a resistor. And what I want to show is how to increase the resolution of this source. We can see here we have sinus 10 volts and 1 kilohertz. For the frequency, if I open the simulation profile, I'm going to simulate a time domain simulation, and I'm going to simulate from 0 to 10 milliseconds. The parameter which decides the resolution of my circuit is given by this maximum step size. It means if I don't write anything here, this value is more or less the run to time, in this case 10 milliseconds, divided by 50. So in this case, for example, more or less PSpice simulator will use here 0.2 milliseconds for this maximum step size. It means each as v like a maximum, each 0.2 milliseconds PSpice should or must offer a solution, a calculation, a point. So if I simulate, I can see that my trace, my sinus, actually the resolution is not quite good because it is really like a square. So if I click on mark data points, I can see that just few points are calculated, and it means that I need to decrease this value for the maximum step size in order to increment this resolution. Let's say here that I use 10 microseconds. I simulate again, and now I can see how my trace is really good. The resolution is high, and the simulation didn't need a lot of time to be done. You can see here these gray points. This is all the points that the PSpice has used to calculate my trace. And it is important that you can see that for this value we need some kind of trade-off. So which value should I use, could you ask yourself? A really small value, a big value? So it depends on the frequency, on the frequencies you have in your circuit, because if you use a really small value here, your simulation is going to take time, and if you use here a big value, then you have seen that the resolution is not good enough. That's why my recommendation here is more or less between 100 and 1000 100 values smaller than the frequency you are using, more or less. Okay, or if you want to see like that, more or less between 100 and 1000 times smaller than the run to time, so that the resolution is good enough. But as I told you, it is a relationship between the frequency you have, the run to time, and also at the end you decide the maximum step size. Thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.